You are about to learn from Wani Tech Space.
You are not able to use those pro or paid features in your CapCut. It's because you are using a most recent updated version of the app. For example, this is CapCut 6.2.0. The workaround here is to go back to a much earlier version. Please watch my two methods in this video before you decide which step to follow. For method 1, you should uninstall your current CapCut completely. And I mean remove everything, so there are no leftover files to cause issues later. Now open your browser and search for this phrase, CapCut older versions for PC. From my experience, Reddit and UpToDown are some of the best options. They usually have older versions of CapCut with reliable links. This is Reddit. Choose the operating system of your computer, either Mac or Windows. Scroll down the list of available versions. The older the version, the more unlocked and free features you'll get. For example, I go as far back as version 3.6, so it won't be too old, you know. When you find the version you want, click to download it. Once it's downloaded, locate the downloaded file on your PC. Run the installer to install it. Once the older version is up and running, CapCut will probably start showing pop-ups, asking you to update to the latest version. Just ignore them. If you update, you'll lose those free tools you just gained. For method 2, you don't have to uninstall or remove the current version. Start by making sure CapCut is completely closed. Next, go to your Windows search bar and type CapCut, but don't open the app. Instead, right-click on it and select Open File Location. You'll now see a shortcut to CapCut. Look at the top of the window, the address bar. It probably ends with CapCut or something similar. We need to change the directory address to end with app data, so click on the last name here. In my case, it is Windows. Then the address has changed to end with the name Windows. And yes, I can now see app data. If you don't see app data right away, just keep clicking the folder names one step at a time until you get to app data. Inside app data, go into the local folder, then open the CapCut folder, and then go into a subfolder called apps. Inside the apps folder, you'll see multiple folders, each one representing a different version of CapCut that's been installed before. Now, choose the version you want to keep. For example, I'm going with version 4.60. If you want even more free features, you could go for something older, like version 3.3 or 2.3. Just remember, the older the version, the fewer new functions you'll get, so choose wisely. Once you've decided, go ahead and delete all the folders that come after the version you want to keep. Important warning, only delete the folders. Do not touch any files that end in .exe or .ini or .xml. Those are system files and deleting them can cause issues. Again, delete folders only, nothing else. Once you delete the new version folders, close that window. Now, go to your desktop and right-click to refresh. I usually refresh twice just to be sure everything is stable. After that, go ahead and reopen CapCut. Let's check what version is running now. You should see that your version has changed. In my case, I went from 6.20 to 4.60. Boom, back to an older version with way more free features. Now, whenever you get a pop-up or banner asking you to update, just ignore it. You're running the version you want. One more thing, any projects you created with the newer version might not open properly on this older version. That's normal, but with the version you just got, all your new projects will work perfectly. Now, which of the two methods would you want to try? Talk to me in the comments.